I'm so sick of all these brown pieces of trash just
Get out.
Hey, get off me!
Just get off.
Hey, man, let go of me!
A road rage dispute in a Walmart parking lot. One spit, one phone call, one officer. What should have ended in minutes ended in handcuffs and 3 felony charges. Charlotte County, Florida, a Walmart parking lot. What started between 2 strangers on the road was about to become something much bigger.
Yeah.
Hi, did you talk to the lady over there?
I was trying to spit at her, actually.
Oh, okay. Can you come on, talk to her?
No, I do not want to get out of the car. I want to be left alone.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you or anything?
No, dude, just leave me alone, dude.
I'll leave you alone, man.
No, just leave me alone, dude. I mean, go away. No, leave me alone.
Okay, no, I got you.
Yeah, thanks.
He's refusing to ID. He's in his car now. All right, man. Listen, what's your last name? What is it? Okay, is this your truck?
Yeah.
All right, man. Like I said, I'm just here to figure out what's going on.
Right. Well, she kept instigating. She wouldn't turn her car. She wouldn't turn. Gap would go. She wouldn't go. She'd say, I'm like, go, 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 go. So I'm like, hey, pull over. So she pulled over. I'm like, hey, you're a asshole. You go back to your own country. And I spit at her and I left. That's it. That's what's going on, dude. And that's okay. I'm
out with it.
I'm
in the
pretty
parking
okay
lot
with it.
at Walmart. Grocery side right here. Okay, no, I get it, right? Were you walking and she was in her car?
No, it was in my car. She was in her car.
Oh, jeez, okay.
Why? What's the big deal?
I gotta make a report, right? I'm just documenting what happened, right?
For what? You gonna report what she did or no?
I'm gonna find out what the truth is, man.
Whatever, dude. I'm getting ready to leave, so I don't really care what you did.
Hey, what's going on today, man? You know, is there a lot going on in your life? What's going
Hey,
on?
what's going on right now?
What's going on?
One of the guys from the fire department
Yeah.
just went to his house. And he's gonna probably die tonight. Yeah, liver cancer. Jay Sanders, I don't know if you know this.
Unfortunately not. That's a rough thing.
You know, no worries, that's okay. But, you know, I'm so sick of all these brown pieces of trash just making fun of everybody, taking their time. I live right around the corner. I'm just going to a place. She put me off. She's trying to provoke me. So that shit. That's bullshit. She should be thrown in jail for that shit.
So what happened after that?
She pulled over, rolled her window down, and I spit at her. That's it. That's it. Well, maybe there's some cameras or something. You know, maybe you should be asking her some stuff.
I will. I'll ask her some stuff too. I appreciate you talking to me. What's a good phone number for you?
I don't want to carry a phone.
You don't carry a phone on you? You don't have a phone
I
out?
carry it when I go for a ride for my thing, but I will not answer my phone.
Right.
I have like 6 contacts in there.
You live alone or?
No, I live with my wife. I retired from the fire department right here in Charlotte County.
Okay.
Don't like it all. Don't own a gun, so don't do anything. And if you could stand over there, I'd appreciate it so I could see you.
Okay.
Instead of that shit.
We can do that. We can definitely do that.
All right. So just real quick, what happened?
Okay. So, sorry, I'm just really shaken up. Do you know that turning in between the traffic lights right here, I can't turn because there's vehicles coming in, like, I can't go anywhere. I'm turning to go into the parking lot, and he is literally side by side, almost cutting me off. So I'm honking my horn, like, what the are you doing? And I flicked him off. I should not have flicked him off. He was already angry, and I pulled my window down. I'm like, what are you doing? And he just starts yelling at me, and then he's like, go back to the country you came from, and spits into my car all over here, and I don't know if he ended up getting up on me or not.
Okay, was he standing out of his car? Or
yes, and he was stepped into his car. I was afraid he was going to come in, so I put the windows out, and I just go park, and I said absolutely not in my brain. That's when I called 911. I didn't want to follow him right away.
That's fine. You have your ID with you by any chance?
Sorry, I'm just really
That's okay.
I don't want him to find me.
Okay, in a few minutes, I'm going to take a sworn recorded statement from you as to what happened.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to go over the story again. Looks like a little bit of road rage on his side from them turning into Walmart. When she stopped on the side of Walmart, he's like next to her car on the passenger side. He gets out of his car. She had the windows down because she's like, "What's your problem?" And he starts spitting in the car.
Spitting in the car?
Yeah.
It's the accident. Okay.
How many times did he spit in here? Do you know?
I don't know. I know there was like a giant one that came all the way in and went everywhere.
All right, can you step out real quick? I'm asking you to step out.
Sir, if this goes this way, I swear to God, this is bullshit.
Okay.
For what? For what? What am I supposed to step out for?
Because I'm investigating a crime.
What crime? For spitting on somebody's car? That's a crime.
Yeah. Did you spit on her?
No, I spit on her Car, I can't. How am I supposed to spit through it? Come on.
Okay, come on out.
Hold on one second. Just 1 second here. Just one second.
Dude, we're asking you to step out, okay?
No, what's
you don't
going on?
step out, we're gonna go that
Call
route.
AJ. Let me call my wife. Give me 1 second.
You can call AJ. Come on out.
No, one
If
second.
you do not come out, I will make you come out. I'm not kidding with you. Get out of the car.
Get out.
Last chance. Get out of the car right now.
Don't.
Get out.
I'll do my shit alone.
Get out.
Hey! AJ!
Get out of the car.
Get
out.
Hey, get off me,
Don't
fucker!
resist. Get off.
Hey, man,
Get out
let
of the car.
go of me!
Get
let
out
the
of the
go!
Get out of the car.
Let go!
Get out of the car.
Let the go! What's wrong with you, man?
The moment the door opened, this stopped being a road rage call and became a felony arrest.
I'm not
Put your hands behind
fighting.
your back. You're under arrest. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back.
Turn over. Somebody get cuffs on him. Somebody get cuffs on him.
All right, I'll let go. Go off.
Okay.
Oh, we could have made this a lot easier.
Hey,
We don't need to respond to him. Just get cuffs on him. All right. Somebody check him. Somebody.
I
Don't.
got nothing. Can you get me off this hot pavement?
No. You want to wait until we're done. What's in that pocket right there?
Keys. My
We
car
want to
keys.
make sure
They're my car
This one.
keys. They're my car keys.
he's on the arrest, so we can check him, guys.
Right, we're gonna.
Check. Get all that out of there.
When I told you to get out, you went for the power button.
Go
No.
f yourself, motherfucker.
We're working against each
Take
other.
my glasses off,
Keep
please.
them on the ground.
Just take my glasses off, put them in my car. Thank you. Appreciate that.
You can call my deputies, MF, and then ask him.
Oh, hey,
No.
man, f off. I'm allowed to do what the f I want.
What's the one in custody?
When I was at the
Quick
fire
traffic.
department, I didn't pull over when they spit in my face.
He is bleeding at your hand. Look at your hand now.
Here, go.
Look at your hand right
Oh
here.
yeah,
And you got blood on your hand as well.
yeah. I didn't double lock him.
Oh, don't try to grab me.
Listen,
like
now, pull away. Hold, double lock the cuffs.
that. Let go of my hand.
Let go of his
Let
hand.
go of my hand.
Let go of his hand.
Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand.
Why is he standing? Put him on the
This
ground.
fucking county,
Double lock him
motherfucker. I will not resist if you just relax.
Double lock.
Next time he start doing that, put him on the ground.
I ain't gonna try to do anything.
I have no idea who you are.
Dude, I got my hands behind my back. What am I gonna do? Kung fu you? The hell? And for what reason?
You refused to step out of the car. Gave
I
you
didn't do
multiple
anything
times.
wrong. Dude, I've lived here my whole life. Shut up.
Okay, we got an unruly subject. We don't even know who he is yet. We had to take him out of the car who refused to get out of the car. And in the process of doing that, his hand got cut.
Patrick was a retired firefighter from Charlotte County, a man who spent his career serving his community. On this day, he became the subject of a felony arrest in a Walmart parking lot. Following the incident, he was charged with 3 serious felonies: resisting an officer with violence, battery on a law enforcement officer, and burglary of an occupied conveyance for spitting into the victim's car. He was held in custody before his defense team filed a motion to reduce bond. On July 8th, Judge Lisa Porter granted the reduction. Patrick posted 3 surety bonds totaling $20,000 and was released from custody. He now awaits his next hearing, September 8th, 2026. One moment of rage, one decision to stay in that car, 3 felonies. If this video gave you something to think about, drop a comment below and subscribe for more real body cam breakdowns every day.